Good morning. I welcome you all to today's discussion session, and we're going to look at the properties of indirect utility function. And we have 6 main properties. The first one being continuous, homogeneous of degree 0 in prices and income, strictly increasing in Y, decreasing in P, quasi-convex in P and Y, and satisfy the Royce identity. So I'm going to look at point 2, 3, 4, and the 6, but I'm starting with homogeneous of degree 0 in prices and income in this video. And in my next video, I will look at the strictly increasing in Y and decreasing in P. Great. So when we say homogeneous of degree 0 in prices and income, what does it mean? What we are saying is that supposing you have your income and you know the prices of two commodities that you want to purchase in the market. Now, when you go to the market and the prices of the two commodities and the income has changed by the same proportion, then what we are saying that change shouldn't affect your optimal, it shouldn't affect your maximum utility. For instance, let's say you go to the market and the price of commodity 1 and 2 that you want to purchase has increased by 10%, and at the same time your income has also increased by 10%. Then what it means is that it shouldn't affect your optimal solution, and your maximum utility also shouldn't change. So let's try and use algebra or mathematics to explain this. So new video. So let's say we have we said utility, right? We said our utility was what? V, which is a function of P and Y. The indirect utility is called what? We maximize our utility, which was the function of x1, x2, subject to prices and income. Prices and commodities equals to what? Income. So these are just vector of prices and then commodities. So this is what it means. That is what we did. We maximize our utility subject to this. So we are looking at a situation whereby the prices and income has changed by a certain proportion that is T. So let's say V is equals to T, in this case T, Ty. So this is just to say that prices has changed by T% and income has also changed by T%. Should be equals to maximize utility of what? X1 and X2 subject to T, P of X, T of Y, right? Now this one will cancel this again. It's okay. So that means we still have the first equation back, which is we still have this expression back. So that we can say that V of TP Ty is equals to V of Py, right? So what it means is that by changing our prices and income by the same proportion, which is T, it didn't change our maximum utility. So let's use the first. Let's use the indirect utility function that we got in our discussion session 2 to see if it works here. So recall from tutorial 2. Recall from session 2. So we said we had our indirect utility function to be equal to what? We had it as y into bracket P1R plus P2R exponent minus 1 over R. This is what we got as our indirect utility function from the previous discussion. So let's say situation whereby you multiply both sides by what? A certain proportion TPY by O by T. So then I'm going to have it as what? T y into bracket TP1 R plus TP2 plus TP2R into bracket negative 1 over R. Great, so we have it as this. Now let's try and do some simplifications. So if you're going to do simplification, we still have it as what? V TPY the same is equals to what? TY into brackets. I'm going to bring out a TR, right? We'll have TR P1R plus TR P2R into bracket -1 over R. Is okay? So when I factor out my TR, I'm going to have it as TR, but there's also an exponent here, times -1R, or into bracket P1R plus P2R -1 over R. So this cancels this, and I'll have TY dot T negative bracket P1 R plus P2 R -1 over R. So I can multiply, because this T and T are multiplying, and the bases are the same. I can add the exponent that will give me T1 minus 1 Y, then P1 R plus P2 R -1 over R. Now this is what 0. T0 is the same as what 1. Any number to the exponent 0 is the same as 1. So then I have Y is equals to P1 R plus P2 R -1 over R. Right? That is V T P T Y is equals to this. So the expression V T P T Y is the same as what the expression of what V P and Y. So I can say that V T P Y is equals to V P Y. So, and this explains what the expression. This explains the property that it is homogeneous of degree 0 in prices and income. By changing our prices and income by the same proportion, we are still having this same expression, or this same as non-utility. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy quality tutorial.